Confusing singular or plural words. Thief, thieves. Man, men. Woman, women. Person, people. Child, children. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese, louse, lies. Hand gestures in English. Snapping fingers, clapping hands, shaking hands, wiggling fingers, waving hands, crossing arms, crossing fingers, fist bumping. Let's learn hairstyle names in English. Bun, braid, pigtails. Bangs, ponytail, updos. Side parting, middle parting, top knot, fishtail braid, French braid. Keep practicing daily. Learn more.